USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have a link which says swing like a pro. So click on that link, come to this page right here where you can check out these recent trades and setups I have taken. And if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can join this program called Swing Like a Pro. Then you can book consultation. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation with me right here. And you can always join my free Telegram. So go and join Telegram. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame right here. Weekly, we are taking a pullback probably. Who knows? This might be the downtrend as well. So we made a new high, and then now we had been taking a pull. This could be a pullback, or this could be a downtrend. Time will tell. Okay, but for now, price is above the EMA in 4 hour. So we are still in a weekly, sorry. So we are still above the EMA in weekly, and then daily. If you see here, last week on last Sunday, I told you, okay. Last Sunday, I told you maybe on this candle somewhere here. I don't know. Maybe Thursday, if Friday is this candle, okay. So on this candle, I told you that we will go for the EMA probably. On this candle last week, I told you probably we'll touch the EMA first and then we'll bounce back. So still my analysis is the same. I think we are going for the EMA here. So if you want maybe 20-30 pips, and that's easy free money in this trade right now, okay? But there might be a pullback, who knows? But yes, as per the structure, EMA is your next support. So it should touch the EMA first before making any decision. And then coming back to 4 hour, we are below the EMA already, making a new low. So I would say daily we are still above the EMI. Daily we are above. Weekly we are above. So 2 time frames we are above. So look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. That's what I would say. Okay. However, if you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program because I'm doing these USD pair analysis, but most of the time I don't even take trades in USD. Do you understand? Look at this here. You look at the GBP, JPY, CAD, JPY, Euro, CAD, Euro, AUD. On this screen, can you find how many GBP USD pairs I have taken? I have taken here GBP USD, Euro USD. Mostly you will see here non-USD pairs. Okay, I seldom or rarely take USD pairs trade. I mostly take non-USD pair trades because there is a reason for that, and you don't know that, but I do. So yeah, you can go and join this program if you want to enter and exit with me, or subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.